Hello there! Have a wonderful day! How are you? My name is Teacher Lin, and I'm from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I am passionate ESL teacher who truly enjoys helping students to learn and grow confidently. I am also a TESL certificate holder, which means I am qualified to teach. I have 2 years of teaching experience in the children's department at our church community, and this experience has helped me a lot to become more understanding and flexible. In my beginner class, I use TPR, which means Total Physical Response. For example, pwede ka bang magsalita? Naririnig mo ba ako? Anong nakikita mo sa isang larawan? Pusa! Magaling, magaling. Pwede mo ba sabihin ulit na ang nakikita ko sa isang larawan ay mga pusa? Great job. Ilang pusa ang nakikita mo sa isang larawan? Apat. Great job. Pwede mo ba sabihin ulit na ang nakikita ko sa isang larawan ay apat na pusa? Magaling. In my class, I will do my best to guide you. I will do my best to make you comfortable expressing yourself and learning your Tagalog language. I'm so excited to be a part of your learning journey. Let's grow. Let's have fun together. Walk with me your first lesson. See you in my class.